world premiere of Fred the Movie! And there's only one way to celebrate.
One way.
Crazy dance party! Wow!
The world premiere of Fred the Movie starts right now on Nick. You're watching the world premiere of Fred the Movie. We'll be right back. Fred the Movie is brought to you by DreamWorks Megamind. In theaters November 5th. This film is not yet rated. And BTR, the debut album from Big Time Rush, available October 11th. Tonight, right after Fred the Movie, don't miss the world premiere of Fred's brand new music video, Who's Ready to Party? Now back to Fred the Movie on Nick. And now back to the world premiere of Fred the Movie, only on Nick. Tonight, right after Fred the Movie, don't miss the world premiere of Fred's brand new music video, Who's Ready to Party? We'll be right back.
Hi, it's Fred!
It's the movie that has America saying,
Oh my damn it!
and tomorrow, you've got another chance to get in on the party.
This is my lucky day! That was awesome!
In the greatest hacking movie ever, Fred the Movie. Tomorrow night at 8, only on Nick.
You're gonna ruin my brain!